Bollywood megastar, really the first family of this industry. Amitabh Bachchan and his son Abhishek are battling the COVID-19 virus. The 77-year-old actor underwent an antigen test. Both father and son have been admitted to Mumbai's COVID-dedicated Nanavati Hospital. According to hospital authorities, the senior Bachchan's condition is stable with mild symptoms. The megastar and his 44-year-old son made the announcement about their test results on their social media accounts on Twitter yesterday. Well, like we've just told you, now Aishwarya Rai and Aradhya Bachchan have also tested positive. Both are asymptomatic and will be self-isolating at home. Jaya Bachchan and Shweta Nanda are negative. Meanwhile, Abhishek, Bachchan's co-star in the newly launched web series Breathe Into the Shadows, Amit Saad, will also be getting himself tested as he was present with Abhishek in studio for dubbing. Bachchan's bungalow Jalsa is being sanitized by BMC officials and it's been declared a containment zone at this time.
इमीडिएट क्लोज जो फैमिली है, ऐश्वर्या मैडम है, उनके जया मैडम है, ग्रैंडसन, ग्रैंड डॉटर, उनका हुआ है. ऑलमोस्ट 28 to 30 people are high risk contacts and they are under process of testing, collection and testing the swab. We did all places sanitization as well as screening, thermal screening, SpO2 screening. That we took.
सैनिटाइज तो बाय मशीन से होने वाला है और उसको एक बंगले के ऊपर डिपेंड है कि कितना टाइम लगता है. हम तीनों बंगले उनके प्रतीक्षा, जनक और जानकी, तीनों बंगला एक एक करके सैनिटाइज करेंगे आज.
Earlier, Amitabh Bachchan had posted a video message lauding the efforts of doctors and medical staff at the Nanavati Hospital where he is admitted. Take a look.
आप जितने भी डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेस और जितने भी हॉस्पिटल्स में काम कर रहे हैं, आप सब में एक ईश्वर का रूप है. आप सब इतनी मेहनत के साथ इंसानियत के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. आप जीवनदायी बन गए हैं आप, और मैं आप लोगों को हाथ जोड़कर आपकी सराहना करता हूं. नतमस्तक हूं मैं आपके सामने. बहुत ही सराहनीय काम हो रहा है और आप ना होते तो न जाने इंसानियत कहां जाती. तो मैं आप सब लोगों से कहना चाहता हूं, मैं जानता हूं कि ये दिन थोड़े से निराशजनक है. They are trying times. Everyone is being worked to their absolute limits. There is always fear, there's perhaps depression, but please do not despair. Do not panic. We're all together in this. We're all working together. And we hope and wish that very soon we shall come out of these extraneous circumstances.
Meanwhile, the Sound and Vision India studio in Mumbai has also been sanitized. Abhishek Bachchan and actor Amit Saad was spotted there for some dubbing work for their Amazon Prime series Breathe. Amit Saad has now said that he will also be getting tested.
Ever since Abhishek Bachchan has tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday, this particular studio, Sound and Vision India in Mumbai's Versova, has been closed. Now, we know as a matter of fact that Abhishek Bachchan was dubbing in this particular studio for the last 2 weeks for his Amazon Prime show, Breathe Into the Shadows, which was streamed online on July 10. Now, he in fact was spotted here at the studio for many times in the last 2 weeks, and in fact his co-star Amit Saad was also spotted with him in this particular dubbing studio, and Amit Saad is also going to test himself for COVID-19. Though Abhishek Bachchan is someone, whenever he was spotted, he took utmost precaution. He always was wearing a mask, he was wearing gloves while entering and exiting the studio, and never interacted with the media to maintain all kinds of social distancing and avoid crowds. But unfortunately, both Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan tested positive for coronavirus yesterday, and ever since then, all the places where they have gone are being sanitized. So this particular studio was sanitized by the BMC officials just a short while ago, and now this studio is shut.
Well, soon after Amitabh Bachchan and his son Abhishek tested positive for COVID-19, their fans started wishing for their recovery. Obviously, fans of the Bachchans across the nation started praying by chanting mantras and performing have wished a quick the senior actor.
हमारे प्यारे महानायक को, जो बड़े प्यारे हमारे कलाकार क्या कहें, वो तो कलाकार से भी सर्वोपरि है। भगवान उनको बहुत अच्छी तबीयत कर दे और हमारे बीच में हमेशा कायम रखे। जय हो।
अमिताभ बच्चन जी एक फाइटर हैं। उन्होंने बहुत बार ऐसी चुनौती का सामना किया है, जैसे लाखों लोग कोरोना को हराकर आगे बढ़े हैं, वैसे ही हमारे अमिताभ बच्चन जी जल्दी ही इस कोरोना को हरा करके फिर हमारे बीच में वैसे ही हंसते मुस्कुराते अभिनय की दुनिया में खड़े होंगे।
मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि वो कोरोना को पराजित करके स्वस्थ होकर बाहर आएंगे। ऐसे भी देश में बहुत से लोग जो कोरोना पॉजिटिव हुए वो स्वस्थ होकर घर लौटे हैं, और अमिताभ जी के साथ पूरे देश और दुनिया की दुआएं हैं।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.